Ayan. Dito ko siya nilagay sa center. Had me at hello. I love you. I know. Tiny cherry. Yep. Super lamig. Super.
Hi y'all! How are you guys doing? So gabi na pala and I'm doing my evening routine. By the way, Vietnam is celebrating their Teachers' Day. I'm not sure if today or tomorrow, but today ay naka-receive siya ng 2 flowers. I don't know from where. 2 flowers and then 1 real flower. Ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Update pala sa aking ngipin. I'm still having the temporary feeling. Hindi pa yung final crown. But yeah, hindi siya sumasakit. Thank you, Lord. Okay, papakita ko na sa inyo. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah! Guys. Oops. Sorry. So, this is from eMaster. Ayan. OMG. Happy Teacher's Day. So, my letter dyan. Hindi natin mabasahin kasi that's for him. Okay, let's... OMG, this is so nice. Happy birthday. Ayan. Ang pangit ang background. Wait. This is so cute. Ayan. What flower is this? Rose? No, it's not rose. Dito ko siya nilagay sa center. Ayan. So he also received these flowers. Let me show you. This from one student, or I don't know, student or the teacher assistant, and then this one is for me. This one is for him. This one is for him as well. So yeah, fun. Ayan. Tan-tan-tan. You had me at hello. I love you. I know. Cherries. Picturean sa nato. Thank you guys. Hi everyone. Good morning. Wait, anong oras? Good morning, Papa. 11:44. So, by the way, kakatapos ko lang manood ng Miss Universe and it's a bit disappointing, you know. Philippines. 3rd runner-up. Yeah. That's disappointing, but it is what it is. So, anyway, magluluto ako ng... Oh, no. Mag-steam ako ng bun. Let's see. I have a buns here. Super lamig. let's steam this. Wait. So, rice cooker lang yung gagamitin ko guys. Kasi wala na kaming steamer. Rice cooker. Mabilis lang to. This is gonna be my food for lunch. Kasi as of now, I'm only eating soft food. Kasi nga, nagparot ka na ako. And later, may appointment na naman ako dyan for my root canal. Ang liit, diba? So, I'm gonna have, siguro uubusin ko na to. Ayan. So, I am also gonna pair it with this soup from Combo. And this is Lian's food. Diba? Ang sarap ng pagkain niya. Sa akin, buns. Okay, this is his food. And ito sa akin. Tiis-tiis muna tayo eh. So, ito pala yung plants, guys. Plant. Diba? This is so cute. Para siyang bonsai, pero hindi siya bonsai. Ewan ko anong ano to. Anong halaman to. Parang fake. Para siyang fake. Look at that squishy little one. Hello, squishy little one. Let's see. Ooh. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, this is our lunch, guys. Kailangan kong lakasan yung boses ko. Kasi minsan, ang hina ng audio. Ting, ting. Wait. Let's go. Kunin ko lang yung sabaw. So this is the free soup from that order. One order, one soup. Usually there's two. Tapos ako lang yan lahat ang uubos niyan. So, kailangan nating pagandahin ang ating boses. Kailangan maging lively tayo sa ating vlog. I'll just wait for a few minutes. I arrived here very early, guys. Ooh. My turn. Okay guys, I'm done with today's treatment. So I'm gonna come back after 2 days when the crown is ready. Time check, it's 4:54. So yeah, the process was really quick and the dentist was really good, very approachable. Ow. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna see you later. This is their clinic. I'm waiting for taxi. Oh, this is the name of their clinic. No, I think not. Oh yeah. Nakuha tuwing. Gusto ko mag-vlog. Balag sa ba.